You know, this is the time of year when we start craving anything and everything with pumpkin in it. And that means we often find ourselves at the store staring at the canned pumpkin, wondering if we should buy pure pumpkin or pumpkin pie filling. Lucky for you, we're here to help. Pure pumpkin is, just as it says, it's simply pie pumpkins that have been cooked down with no spices added. This is used when our recipe calls for us to add spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. On the other hand, pumpkin pie filling is the same cooked and mashed pumpkin, but it's loaded with a bunch of fall spices, which at times is really convenient. Since we're on a pumpkin kick, I can't think of anything better to make than our easy pumpkin bread. We start with canned pure pumpkin, since we'll be adding lots of cinnamon and ground cloves to our batter. And because this recipe makes 2 loaves, you can keep one for yourself and wrap the other one up to share with a fellow pumpkin lover. To get the recipe for our 5-star pumpkin bread, you know what to do. Visit our website. I promise you won't be disappointed. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a purely pumpkin way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.